Nag-ghost. Hi guys. What's up, guys? Dapat tatlo kami tonight. Pero actually while we were in the call, nawala si Nico kasi nahihirapan yung internet niya. Probably because of the
Hasn't
rain.
paid the bill, you know?
Yeah. He's a good man. He paid us first before he paid the bills.
There you go.
He paid us before he paid the bills. But
There
yeah,
you
guys, what's
go.
up? Mario here. That's Graham over there. We're talking about we're doing an NBA episode. Mostly just LeBron talk. Mostly just LeBron talk, but and a sprinkle of whatever else happened in the NBA that we kind of forgot about. Search ka natin. Off-season NBA best trades in the off-season.
Yeah, the Kawhi Leonard running away
NBA
from
trades
money laundering trade, di
2026.
ba?
Sige,
Got
tama.
halted.
Ayun yung Giannis nga pala, bro. Ang dami niyan.
Yeah,
Uh,
you already talked about that, di ba?
when?
Yeah, that's when the LaMelo trade happened in real time, di ba?
Really?
Kay ni
Oo
Nico.
nga pala, nagawa na namin yun. You're
Yeah.
right, you're right, you're right.
Yeah,
You're
the
right. Okay,
biggest
so,
news since then.
yes, LeBron to the Philadelphia 76ers. But before we do that, guys, don't forget to join our Facebook group, Six Man Podcast slash Benchmob dash Benchmob slash dash is dash
Dash.
Benchmob. Um, we talk about everything on there. Including this, LeBron going to the Philadelphia 76ers. Graham as the one with LeBron Jr. in your mouth. So what do you think, man?
It's the best move he could have made. Doon ko talaga siya gusto pumunta, man. Kasi Golden State doesn't make sense, di ba? You're not enhancing anything in terms of your legacy kapag nagpunta ang Golden State. Like, that's just giving up at that point. Yeah, you can win two championships with Stephen Draymond and possibly AD, pero wala yung idadagdag sa iyo, man. Those are empty rings. Kasi people will not respect you.
Is this not an empty ring right now? If ever he gets,
No,
it's not.
no, no. I'll tell why later. Pero Golden State didn't make sense to me. Miami doesn't make sense to me. What
That
is
would
it?
be bad.
The 70s, nobody can shoot and then everyone's in the
That
paint.
would have been so bad.
That doesn't
I'm
make
glad.
sense.
I am genuinely glad he didn't go.
Yeah. Although they can win every game, final scores 53-48. You know, yung mga ganun. Like nobody can score. Giannis, Bam, Bobby Portis, Andrew Wiggins, LeBron James. If he decides to
So,
play
so the
defense,
only guy who had shooting was Norman Powell.
na nawala pa sa kanila, I think. Norman Powell's gone.
Oh, really?
Yeah, Norman
Where'd
Powell's
he go?
gone.
Where'd he go?
I don't know, but
Where
I
are
think
you,
he's gone.
Norman? Where are you,
Yeah,
Norman? Oh, yeah, you're right. He went to Chicago. You're right. You're right.
there you go, right? So wala na talagang titira ng tres
Ay,
dyan.
Demetra siya. Si Tim Hardaway Jr. Tim Hardaway
Oh
Jr.
yeah, oh yeah. Yeah, you're right. Yeah, he's their spark plug, di ba? Tapos Cleveland also, it's Cleveland, like no
I genuinely
expectations.
believed he was going to Cleveland.
The
Actually, last decision, like it feels like he's gonna retire right after this one. So I thought it was gonna be Cleveland because end your career there, and they're not a bad team. They have
not
they have
buying that though. Yung
last
re-retire siya.
bro, he's 47,000 years old.
Pero you're LeBron, you didn't even have a farewell tour. Wala ka man lang announcement before your retirement. So I did not buy that. Pero Cleveland was an okay choice for me. If it wasn't Philly, it's Cleveland. Minnesota
Yeah.
had rumors in the end think he wants to play with LaMelo. Di ba? If it's Ant and Julius, actually, I don't think he wants to play with Julius
Julius
Randle
left
either.
na. Isn't Julius in Brooklyn?
Yeah, oo nga pala, yeah, yeah.
Julius in
Umalis na nga
Brooklyn.
pala si Julius.
Yeah.
Yeah, pero I don't think he wants to play with Lamelo. The timeline just doesn't fit. So, after the Jalen Brown trade, actually even before the Jalen Brown trade, gusto ko na siya sa Philly. But nag-spark lang naman yung rumors after the Jalen Brown trade. So, it was the best option for him. He's back in the East where hindi ganun ka crowded. Kasi this minute, di ba, if he stayed in the West, Golden State or Minnesota, Oklahoma City and San Antonio will still be there.
Yeah.
Um,
Denver will still be there. Oh,
yeah,
oh.
yeah. Denver was, yeah, they're still called the Lakers daddy, di ba? They
Yeah.
swept us and then gentlemen swept us after that. Pero now you're in the East, your only competition should be New York and possibly Toronto if
Kawhi.
Kawhi Leonard's trade pushes through.
For the
Um,
sake of this video, let's just say na
mhm.
push through yung trade.
I think he will. I think he will. Talagang pinapatapos lang yung investigation, which is guilty of. We all know that he's guilty of whatever they're accusing him of. Pero, di ba, if once it pushes through, then Toronto is a nice team din naman. With Kawhi back, which by the way, he should have never left Toronto. If he left Toronto, he should have gone to the Lakers. But there was Kawhi, dumb Leonard. So what can we do about that? Pero this is the best move. This puts them at in the top four championship contender conversations. OKC, San Antonio, New York, and Philly.
Yeah.
I think it's not something crazy to say, especially with the fact na hindi to parang yung Lakers man na every night tinaasahan pa rin siya magbuhat. Like, he can just lay back, score 15, di ba? Wala na rin siya pinoprotektang 10-point streak.
Yeah.
So, he can just have 8-point nights and get a W. If they want to push, I think they can beat the 73-9 record, but that's probably not for them.
Oh my Lord. Uh,
I think there's a chance.
it depends for me. It depends on yung health ni Joel Embiid, obviously.
Oh
Kasi
yeah, that's the biggest.
outside of Joel Embiid, wala na siyang legit big. It's just Ariel Huckporty.
The fact that
New,
you have to say that name, man,
New York,
that's
New York Knick legend, the Ariel Huckporty. NBL legend, ano to yun? Ariel Huckporty? Ariel ba? Tama, no? Ariel, yeah, Ariel, like the soap.
Ariel Hackport.
Ariel,
Wow.
so yun nga, if there's no Embiid and you're only left with Ariel Huckporty, that could be a genuine problem. Kasi no Drummond, Drummond went to New York.
Yeah,
And
sayang mo si Choman.
yeah, and obviously, man, let's be real. You need bigs. You need really good bigs to win in this league. OKC has one and a half good bigs. They have Hartenstein and Holmgren. San Antonio has Victor. Denver has Jokic. Um, New York had Cat and Emrab, who both played well for them
Emrab's gone.
against yeah, exactly. But they had both Cat and Emrab who both played really well against Wemby. Kaya sila naka-champion, right? I don't think we can say that they
Yeah.
would win a championship without Cat and Emrab, right?
And
So,
De'Aaron Fox.
oh yeah, and De'Aaron Fox, the well-known New York Knick. So, ayun, you need a big. Yan lang yung worry ko is because you don't have a big outside of Embiid and Huckporty. Um,
I don't even think that guy Hackport is gonna see minutes, man. They'll get a big
They
for
need a
sure.
big. They need a big. They need a big. Kasi if they could have but LeBron at center.
Why not?
What do
Ina
you
bro,
mean?
alam ba nung nando si Westbrook, there was a lineup na sila bro yung center. The starter
Yeah.
yata was Westbrook, Wayne Ellington, tapos
Oh,
there's
and
there's
Westbrook, Ellington, Ariza, Johnson, LeBron.
Stanley Johnson. Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, I remember that
Bro,
roster
that
po.
was just that
So
was just a bad
he
time.
can he can play center probably against, some dumb
They
teams
didn't
like
win and they didn't win many games with him.
I know, but yeah, the LeBron to Philly thing enhances both him and Philly. Like si Bron kasi can influence guys like Embiid. Remember when he was with when AD was with the Lakers, 'di ba? AD was kind of healthier, especially in the latter part nung sineryoso niya na yung health niya when Bron was there. So, um, it's the best move that he can make. He can guide Maxi, he can guide Edgecomb. I don't care if people are saying, "Oh yeah, he's gonna impede the growth of those guys." No, he won't. Y'all are just hating at that point. Uh,
Because bro, let's be real. Edgecombe and Maxi are ball centric guys. They need the ball in their hands, and LeBron is the most effective when he has the ball. Also, I don't know. It depends. Yeah, I'm curious to see how it works. Obviously, when you bring out the names, malakas sila.
yeah,
Maxi, Braun, Brown,
Brown. Yeah, that's a
DJ,
questionable fit yung
DJ,
Jalen Brown.
Embiid, right? But then, like at the end of the day, one ball. That's how it always. There's only one ball. Um,
Mhm.
And it's gonna be a little hard, especially kasi I think medyo good to for Embiid also. Di niya kailangan pilitin bumalik agad. Right? Now he has two legit, well, three legit players who can back him up. He has Jalen, Tyrese, and LeBron. So, it's really just a matter of health sa tingin ko. Between a lot of them. LeBron's health, Maxi's health, Embiid's health, Jalen Brown's health, a lot of health will matter
Yeah,
sa team na to. Kasi on paper, of course, malakas sila. Pero brother, we don't play the game on paper. Ooh.
that's right. If you play the game on paper, then um,
Mm-hmm.
you know, the Lakers of '04 would have won the championship. Pero okay pa rin to man ha. Meron pa silang Dean Wade, like Bron and Wade back this time in Philly, di ba? Wade to LeBron. Tapos they still have sino to si Anthony Simons, who's a
Yeah, but bro, none of those guys are big. Well, Dean Wade is a big player. He's not a center. Bro,
yeah,
only my only thing is you knew where Rico is legit na when it comes to the playoffs, who is defending Wemby on Philadelphia? I
Embiid.
If he's healthy.
Embiid.
If he's healthy,
Yeah,
right? Who's defending Jokic? It's also Embiid, 'di ba? Like a lot of
yeah.
it kind of falls on si Embiid yung magiging like hope nila to defend everybody na malaki. And knowing Embiid, may chance na hindi talaga siya.
Yeah.
So,
Embiid is a very good defender, ha?
when
Like
if
when
healthy,
healthy.
if
Yeah,
healthy, and that's
when
still pretty
healthy.
suspect, not gonna lie. So, it's hard.
Yeah.
It's hard, man. I need them to get one more big for them to be legit. You,
I don't think there's a big available in the market right now. Yeah, there isn't one. Uh, Kaisot, I mean,
I'm trying to think of who they can try and go for. Uh,
it
yes.
it cannot be a trade deadline move. Eh. Kasi you cannot rely on Embiid talaga in his health.
Yeah.
Um, it will be and it will be crazy to just have Embiid. I doubt, brother, tong Hakporty guy will play. Really, I don't think he even has a contract. To be honest with you, he's
Wow,
thinner than Embiid.
I'm going through this
Um,
list, man.
yeah.
Has Aiton signed with Washington o na?
Isn't he gonna get waived? Siya ba, si Dilo
Si
pala yun
Dilo
yung
yun, si
i-wave
Dilo
ng
yun.
ng Memphis.
Because
Ah,
If Aiton, what's this called? If
gets
Aiton
waived
can get waived, I don't mind him as
back up. Yeah, for
the
sure.
backup, right?
Yeah, well,
Tapos LeBron starting center. Sino pa ba dito ang nasa listahan na to? Ang dami. Dami. Hunter Dickinson. Do you want Hunter Dickinson? No. No.
Phoenix for sure wants a Phoenix Fuel Masters on their
Phil
radar.
Masters. Dude, you know who's still a free agent? But I doubt, bro.
Dwight?
You can't get Duren on
Bro,
Philly.
malaki yun. Malaki yun. Kaya nag-take nga ng pay cut si LeBron for that eh. Tapos, nandiyan pa yung contract ni Jalen Brown. That's,
Yeah,
what's
stop.
that worth? 57M? No way. Then Joel Embiid's worth 58. Maxi's at 40. No way. They'll be paying luxury tax. Pero, um, si Dwight Howard, man, again
I
posted.
know Dwight
That,
Howard's not going to. Ano,
every move, there's a Dwight Howard retweet. Like,
what
tapos
about
yung nasa Taiwan siya, yun ang gaganon. Do you see that?
what about Trey Jemison? Do you remember Trey Jemison?
Si Trey J. Sa Lakers din yun
Really?
eh. Basura din yun eh. I don't know who can get.
Coloco still available.
Again, that's a
Um,
Lakers pick.
that's all. Kevin Love is still available. Um, if anybody wants
Can
him.
barely move, but he can ride along for championship number 2.
If they can get a
Um,
center, bro.
like a serviceable big, no?
Nurkic,
Sayang si Valen Sayang si Valanciunas man nag-sign
yeah,
sa sa
Lithuania.
Europe.
Yeah, nag-EuroLeague
Yeah.
si Valanciunas eh. Nick
If
Richards
they
is
can
still
get
Nick Richards is still on the market. Nick
Pero
Richards.
bro, alam mo yung gusto kong lang makuha. Although I don't think he's coming back. Si Nikola Mirotic, yung stretch big.
Gago, 4 lang naman yun eh.
Yeah, still he's a big.
But I think he stopped playing already.
I think
But,
is in Europe ata, hindi na ata siya nag-NBA. If I'm not mistaken.
oy, sabi ko sa'yo ano to, Nick Richards is a potential free agent option to monitor for the 76ers. Baka Nick Richards yun. I wouldn't mind it.
Um,
It's not bad, man.
not bad.
It's not bad. Fantasy GOAT ko yun.
Yeah,
Um,
it can work. Pero in terms of the roster of Philly, yeah, they're just one big man away probably. Actually si Bona is okay. Like he's someone you can throw in there to
Adembono?
hack Jokic. Yeah, Jokic and
Hell nah,
Wemby.
dude.
Uh, no, like just to reserve some of the fouls of Embiid. They even got KCP, di ba?
Hindi pa naman finalized yun, pero
Yeah, but he's gonna be joining them. So normally the LeBron acquisition gives you a championship in 2 years. I think ito they're gonna go for it in the first year. Eh.
I think they're gonna go for it as long as healthy nga. Ang hirap talaga yung health. Eh.
Yeah,
It's so hard.
yeah.
Dude, let's not pretend like what's this called? Jalen Brown and Tyrese Maxey haven't had their own injury problems. They've been injured a few times too, man. So yeah, it's not like
Pero this time, 'di ba? This time if they get injured, then that's when Bron can step up to being that LeBron again, 'di ba? Yung spurt na lang kasi you cannot expect LeBron to be like that for 70 games anymore, all NBA. Mahirap na yun eh. So,
Drew
I
you
really like the move. Where do you put them right now in terms of in terms
in the
of
East, the
champion?
championship.
Yeah, I mean in the East, I think they're solid second. 'Di ba?
Yeah, actually,
If not number one.
I will as a maybe third,
Blazer.
probably third. I think I have
In the
them top.
East,
No, no, like championship contender wise, third, third, probably.
actually put them above New York. I just don't know if I'll put them above OKC right now.
So you have one San Antonio.
Yeah, San Antonio should be one. They've learned enough na dapat eh. Plus, I'm a San Antonio fan, so it helps. Pero I think they have learned enough to be championship contenders right now. If
Dude,
Wemby
their
stays
only
healthy,
option
because
that is legit is Nick Richards. I swear, he's the only one they can actually get. I believe can
yeah,
work. The rest of these guys are not working out. Oh, what did you say? Sorry.
maybe they can get some from the NBL or Australia. Sorry, or
Hell nah,
Europe. Yeah.
dude. Ain't nobody in Australia gonna defend friggin' Embiid.
Hey,
And
I see sino to? Si Sino yung malaking bumantay kay Junmar?
which one?
Yung
Sa
Australia,
Australia?
yung
Uh,
oh,
oh, shucks, I forgot his name. Um,
kalimutan ko yung bumantay kay
si,
Junmar, man.
shucks, nakalimutan ko na yung pangalan niya. Australia lost their men's basketball. Ano ba?
Pero 'di ba, yun yung pwede nilang route na kunin. Someone who's unknown. Pero I don't think they're gonna go that route. They'll consult LeBron muna for that thing. Excuse me. So, you know, will we see them do that at the start of the season? Sana, because they cannot wait until the trading deadline. It's not in Ron's timeline. I think they're gonna operate in LeBron's timeline at this point versus Maxi and Brown's timeline. But I
What do you
definitely
call him?
think alin,
Maxi and Brown what? Brown's
timeline.
timeline. I said Brown's
Yeah.
teeth, and I was like, what the heck is a Brown?
What?
I was like, what the hell is a Brown's teeth, dude?
No,
Uh,
it's a yeah, they're gonna operate in Bronze time. They're gonna maximize these 2 years. And what I love, brother, is they appreciated them. Like they
uh,
welcomed them.
take it
Yung
up with
Philly mismo yung city. Like bastos yung Lakers, gumawa ng mural tapos binaboy agad dun sa kanya. Di ba? Like, yeah, you don't deserve him. You all don't
Hey,
deserve him.
man,
I'm glad
it's
I'm off
whatever.
of that fan base.
Wow, it's
Yeah,
whatever.
I'm not gonna sell my Lakers paraphernalia, pero mucha man. You all didn't appreciate the GOAT the way
Parapher-
it should have been appreciated.
Paraphernalia is kind of crazy. But
Gear.
yeah, yeah, I get you. Uh, yeah, that's all. So yeah, we'll do a PBA episode when Nico's Wi-Fi is better, maybe tomorrow.
We'll do an NBA episode like everything that went down, after the finals.
Huh?
Yeah, the trades. We haven't talked about the
Mhm.
Kawhi trade, the other movements, like Ja Morant to Portland. Yeah, that was kind of big.
Yeah, we'll talk about all the things. We'll do the PBA one whenever. Um,
Whenever Riley Grigsby shows up.
my God. Just a short PBA little thing there. TNT, man. I'm sorry. You don't get to
There's
lose to Titan and what's this called? And Terra Firma
yeah.
in the same week.
Macau Macau winning the Clasico.
Macau winning the Clasico. Hinebra losing to NLEX and Aaron
Yeah.
Fuller taking the layup again to yung
Ah,
pinakaayaw ni Coach Kim sa buong mundo. Yung layup
yeah,
sa
we had talk
dulo.
a lot about that. Pinakayo ko rin yun for different reasons. But yeah.
Yeah, guys, we'll talk about
We'll talk about
we'll see you
those.
guys whenever, maybe tomorrow, maybe Wednesday. Thanks for watching, thanks for listening. We'll see you guys next time. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Mario here, Graham here, no Nico. He'll be back soon. See y'all.
Adios amigos. Bron. Back to back.